So let's talk about video editing, specifically Davinci Resolve, because wow, this is such an incredible video editing tool. I haven't used it for a few years now, but I've only just barely scratched the surface because even though I do a lot of videos, I do a lot of video editing tutorials, I'm still a newbie after all these years because I really haven't focused a lot of my time on the overall production quality, video editing quality, and now I'm just now getting into it. And DaVinci Resolve just simply blows me away. Not only is it a fantastic video editor, in my opinion, there's so many other tools, specifically the color grading stuff, that is on a whole nother level. And we also have things like Fusion for your effects. We have things Fairlight for all your audio editing, the cut page, the deliver page. It's like so many amazing tools all put into one. And the simple fact that Blackmagic still provides a really robust free version, which I highly recommend all of you download and try. It's going to be pretty much the best video editor that you're probably ever going to use. And the thing is, this is something that you're constantly growing into, because this is such a massive suite of tools. And then there's also the paid studio version, which I haven't upgraded yet, but I definitely will because, well, there's so many other things that DaVinci and Blackmagic provides in their studio version that will allow you to be even a better video editor if it's something you really want to focus on. And this is just such an incredible tool. If you are brand new to video editing, DaVinci Resolve is definitely not for beginners. But if you start with something like this and you get really good at it or even proficient, you could basically use any other video editor because DaVinci Resolve is a very complex professional tool. But if you learn something that's really hard, everything else kind of becomes easy, or it's going to be really familiar for you to move from one video editor to another. And so those are just my quick thoughts on DaVinci Resolve. I absolutely love this video editor. I really love what Blackmagic has done by providing this for free. And obviously they're doing it for a reason, because they want you to get into their entire Blackmagic ecosystem, but they do it the best. And even for the studio version, at the time of this video, for around $300 one-time payment, you can't beat that, especially when you compare it to something like Adobe Premiere and Adobe Suite, where it just costs so much money. So if you actually had any thoughts on DaVinci Resolve or any other video editors that you love using, be sure to leave it in the comments area below. And if you did want to see my DaVinci Resolve tutorials, tips, tricks, and thoughts, I do have an entire playlist. I'll leave in the description area below or up here. Hey geeks, if you are a brand new creator and you simply want something easy to get you started, well, I got something for you with my Creator Starter Kit. This is a super simple step-by-step guide that's going to take you from having no channel to developing your very first YouTube channel, along with ideas, thumbnail designs, and other creator tips, including marketing. And the best part is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and get started creating.